Take a moment to pause and come back to yourself. Let your attention settle gently into the present, right here, right now, where everything is okay as it is. Notice your surroundings. Feel the temperature in the air. Listen to the sounds around you, whether near or distant. Let your body register that you are safe in this moment. When you're ready, find a comfortable position. Let your body rest naturally, fully supported. Allow your posture to feel steady and at ease. Gently close your eyes and soften your face. Place one hand over your heart and the other on your belly. This simple gesture creates a sense of grounding, a signal that this time is just for you, for your care and well-being. Feel the warmth of your hands. Notice their presence. Stay here for a few breaths. Breathing to signal safety. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Breathe in slowly through your nose, letting your belly expand as the air flows in. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing the air with ease. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each long exhale sends a signal to your body. You are safe. You can relax. Let your breath settle into a calm, steady rhythm. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel their weight and connection to the ground. Imagine them grounding you, steady and supported. Slowly move your awareness up through your legs, calves, knees, thighs, with each step, allow that area to soften and release. Now bring your attention to your belly. Notice it rising and falling with each breath. Feel a growing sense of ease and openness. With every exhale, Let your body soften just a little more. Bring your awareness to your chest. Notice your heartbeat. Steady, present, alive. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tension you've been holding. Your arms grow heavy. Your hands relax. Your fingers loosen. Your neck softens. Your jaw unclenches. Your forehead smooths. The space around your eyes relaxes. Your whole body begins to rest, calm, supported, at ease. Now imagine yourself on a quiet beach. You hear the gentle rhythm of the ocean waves. Feel the warmth of the sand beneath your feet. This is a peaceful, safe place. A space where your body can fully relax. Bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a soft green light glowing there. Calm, healing, steady. With each breath, that light expands. It flows down through your body and gently rises back up, filling you with a sense of balance, warmth, and ease. Where there was tension, it softens. Where there was unease, it steadies. Feel that quiet support spreading through your back, like something holding you without effort. Rest here for a few moments, settling into calm. Notice what you feel now. The temperature, the weight of your body, the subtle movement inside. Bring your attention to any area that feels stable or grounded, and let your awareness rest there. From this place, your body naturally begins to reset. Tension releases gradually. Balance returns. If anxious feelings arise, simply notice them. They're not dangerous. They can shift and pass. Let your breath support you. Each exhale allows you to soften a little more. Trust your body's ability to find its balance. There's no need to rush or force anything. Your breath continues. Your body rests. Your mind grows quiet. Slowly begin to come back. Feel your body again. Your feet, your hands, the surface beneath you. Now gently bring energy back into your body as I count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're ready, open your eyes. Return to the present moment with a sense of calm, lightness, and inner space. Notice how your body feels now. Even a small shift matters. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. And come back to this practice whenever you need to reset. Let your day begin and end with gratitude.